Hello everyone, I'm Kathleen if you're new here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do a tails up with long hair. I'm going to be using a Flexi Clip for this style, but claws totally work as well. The first step is to gather your hair like you're going to be doing a ponytail halfway up your head. Usually when you do tails up for medium or short hair, you just twist it up and then secure it with a clip. But when you do it with long hair, that simply doesn't work with there's too much hair weighing down in your head. So to combat that, you just twist your hair around like you're doing a bun once or twice until you get the desired amount of hair on top of your bun. So with half of your hair twisted in a bun and the other half sitting loose on top of your bun, this is where you grab your clip or your claw. So if you have a Flexi Clip, take the pin of the Flexi Clip, grab a bit of hair from the top of the bun, flip it back over and across the scalp, and then put the pin through the loop and secure it in one of the notches. Then you just let that loose hair on top fall over the bun, and that's it. So that is how you do a tails up with long hair. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like to let me know, and comment below any hairstyle you want me to do next. Thanks so much for watching, and bye.